Welcome to our video. Welcome to the future. A world of technology and innovation where our wildest dreams become reality. The future is here, and it's all around us. Take a look at this, the latest smartphone technology. This device is more powerful than ever, with advanced features such as facial recognition and augmented reality. It's no longer just a device for making calls and sending texts. It's a portal to a world of endless possibilities. But it's not just smartphones that are evolving. Tech gadgets are becoming more advanced too, like these augmented reality glasses. With these, you can interact with your surroundings in a whole new way. Imagine being able to see information about a restaurant simply by looking at it, or being able to play games in your own living room that feel like they're happening in real life. And it's not just wearables that are changing the game. Drones are revolutionizing the way we see the world, allowing us to capture stunning aerial footage and explore places that were previously impossible to reach. But perhaps the most exciting development of all is virtual reality. With VR, we can escape into whole new worlds, exploring fantastical landscapes and experiencing things we never thought possible. It's a technology that has the power to change the way we learn, work, and play. And let's not forget about 3D printing. This technology has the potential to revolutionize manufacturing, allowing us to create anything from food to entire buildings with just a few clicks of a button. The future of technology and tech gadgets is bright, and it's all around us. We're living in a world that was once the stuff of science fiction, but now it's a reality. So let's embrace it, and see where it takes us next. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.